Let's see what thing inside here. First of all, that this is my first clip video that I'm going to speak in English, and I actually in the morning that I got the email from the girl that she taking care of the resident. She said that I have the packet, so I was there and I found out that the packet is from USA. And yeah, thank you so much that you sent me the packet, and I really love that have a lot of things inside. And the first thing that I took it out from the packet is little lion. He's so cute and I really like him, and thank you so much that you give me. He's so cute and he's gonna be my best friend in Austria, I would say that. Yeah, he's gonna stay with me forever. And he's so soft. I love him. Thank you so much as well that you sent me some candies from USA. And I got the peanut M&M. I have never tried, and it's two things that unbelievable. This, I don't know how to pronounce this one. Ocean Spray. This is the brand. This one, I have never tried this one, and I have never seen this one before, for sure. And the last one is a Sun-Maid. This is yogurt flavor. Wow, this is incredible for me. I don't even know how it's gonna be look like. And yeah, we are going to test the peanut M&M. This one, and I already opened. Let's see the thing inside. And you know me that I love peanut butter, and you send me peanut M&M. I love it. Oh my god, this is so good. M&M always good. And the next one we are going to taste this one, vanilla yogurt flavor. Let's see what inside. Let's try. Oh my god. Oh my god. This one I can feel the texture of yogurt, but oh, they have something inside. It is grape. I see from the picture. This is grape. Oh my god, I love this one as well. The next one we're going to try this sweet dry cranberries. This inside. Is this like this? Let's try. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna. Oh my god. I love 3 of them that you sent me. Yes, thank you so much that you sent me for kind of things like this. And besides that, you also sent me the mask. Thank you that you sent me the gel for wash hand. And thank you so much for everything that you sent to me. Thank you. So, bye.